Hey, I'm Swapnil, and in this video I'll be showing you a robot called Mindcub3r, which is a robot that can solve a Rubik's Cube. First, it scans all the sides of the Rubik's Cube using a color sensor which is attached to the scan arc. It calculates the algorithm which can be used for solving that combination. It then starts solving the Rubik's Cube according to the algorithm by using two large motors. This robot can also create patterns on the Rubik's Cube. It also has an infrared sensor to see whether the cube is inserted or not.